What is going on, everybody? It's your favorite introvert here, and today is special because I get to unbox my new drone. And it's a special drone indeed. I've been on the search to test other brands of drones other than DJI, and I happened to come across this guy, the Parrot Disco. Yes, this is no quadcopter, but a flying wing, and an interesting wing at that. It is interesting because of the features that comes ready to fly right out of the packaging. So let's go over the Parrot Disco. This is the Parrot Disco Adventurer, and I'll be honest, I was a bit surprised when I opened the box and was greeted with this backpack. The box was well insulated with packing wrapper, and the backpack itself offers ample amounts of protection for the Disco. The backpack is designed to carry the Parrot Disco, Skycontroller 2 and cockpit glasses, extra batteries, and accessories. It offers a durable and comfortable carrying handle, robust zipper, and adjustable shoulder and chest straps. The inside is an EVA polyester molded material that fits the Parrot Disco's main fuselage. It offers dedicated compartments for the Skycontroller 2 and cockpit glasses. Additionally, the batteries can be stored in specific and dedicated slots. The Parrot Disco is made from EPP foam and carbon tube construction, with weight coming in around 1.7 pounds or 750 grams, has a wingspan of 45.3 inches or 1150 millimeters, with 5-volt servo motors controlling the craft, and is powered by a 1280 kV motor. Controlling the Disco is the Parrot Chuck, offering 3-axis gyroscope and 3-axis accelerometer, dual-core A9 CPU, and 32 gigs of internal memory from the 14 megapixel 1080p 3-axis stabilized camera. Parrot has done a great job with the Disco in the sense of from the box to the field. The requirements out of the box is to have the Disco connect to the internet, for you to log into your Parrot account, download the updates to the Disco and Skycontroller 2 and install them. Once both the Skycontroller 2 and the Disco are updated, let's ensure our controller is calibrated. We will calibrate the Disco at the flying field, so we won't worry about that right now. Since we're in the main settings menu, it'll be wise to go ahead and check all the settings and make sure they are up to your flying standards. It is a good moment to go through and check the geofencing and make sure it is turned off if you're looking to go further than its geofenced area. Make sure the return to home is set to your standards. It'll also be wise to go through your controller and make sure you're familiar with all the buttons and features that it can provide. Parrot Disco here at the flying field. We're getting it set up. We have filming equipment and hopefully get some shots using the Inspire 2, getting some aerial. But my goal here is to get this up in the air, get it maidened. This will be the first flight. I got it all situated. I just want to get this thing up, maidened, and let you guys know what I think about it. We got a beautiful day here at the flying field. Winds are calm, variable at times. So let's get her up in the air. Alright, let's go ahead and get the battery plugged in. And I am going to calibrate the compass because we are at a new field. And so let's calibrate real quick. Alright, opening the Free Flight Pro. Turn the Disco on. We will have to connect via Wi-Fi. There we go. I want the Disco. Auto connect, yes. Okay. Let's go back to the app. Looks like we are connected. Now it's going to enter into loiter mode. It's gone 50 meters up, roughly 120 feet. Should be recording. There it is. Nice. All right, so I'm going to bring it back over the field. I just put it in loiter, right-hand loiter. So, in a right-hand loiter, easy peasy. Man, that was super easy. Alright, so the pros and the cons of this. Yes, it's expensive. But right now they have a sale going on. They got about $400 to $500 off these things. But this is take out of the box, download updates, charge batteries, and go fly it. That's basically, that is it. Yeah, you can build yourself a system, but you're gonna have to spec out your autopilot. You're gonna have to spec out your OSDs. You're gonna have to spec out all your equipment. So if you're interested in getting into the hobby, getting into this stuff, you want to pay more up front and have a pleasurable experience, or you want to go the cheap route, set up all your equipment, go through the trial and error phase, and maybe possibly wreck the first time you're out. This is if you are just getting into the sport. Like if you already have flight experience, maybe building your platform is the best way to go. Put in loiter mode again. Alright, so what's on the screen here? Alright, what we have on the screen is basically our flight status. All of our information. So anywhere from where we are on the screen, on the map, our 1080p video downlink, flight time. We have on-screen display. We have our speed, height, distance away from controller. So, pretty cool. It's a very nice day out today. Perfect for this kind of test. This is the first flight of the Parrot Disco. Now I'm going to fly it around, enjoy it a bit, and we're going to put the Inspire up and hopefully get some in-flight shots. Gonna try to bring it in for a landing here so we can swap batteries real quick. Hopefully get some aerial shots. Well, I didn't get it on video, but I got it on the ground. I was a bit nervous to see how it was going to land, so I just just pushed the button and down she went. But it landed perfectly, no damage to report. Very soft landing into the grass. So let's swap batteries real quick and get her back up in the air. Video link is good. We're all in the green, so loiter time. Dang, that's awesome. All right, she be loitering. She be loitering good. Shit. I'm in FPV mode for some reason. I'll get out of that real quick. Set our transmitter over here, limit interference, and we'll launch the Inspire. Okay. Perfectly content with hanging out up there, so let's go ahead and mount up. See if we can't intercept. So things we have to worry about: interference between bands. So I'll have everything set up to where it can go dual 2.4 and 5. Let it choose between the best. Should be all right. Doing some shade here. Somewhat faster than I am. Throw it in sport mode for a second. second flight and I'm almost a pro. Not really. Alright, so initial impressions are it's fantastic. It's pretty fun. It's really relaxing to just be able to throw something up in the air and have it do its own thing, let you get situated, let you get comfortable with the controls, and then when you're ready to take over, you just take over. I really like that. But it does have its price, obviously. In the realm of foam, flying wings, autopilot, functionality of that nature, it is relatively expensive, but it comes to you shipped as a plug-and-play experience. Plug it in as far as batteries and download firmware, make sure that it's up to date, and then go rock and have fun. So, I mean, you really can't complain about that. And I had no issues landing whatsoever. It was really smooth. I mean, it just glided on top of the grass. So, fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And subscribe for more content. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll see you next one. Careful, that motor, it's hot. Dang.